This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pizza the easy way. First, let's get started with the dough. Combine 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of active dry yeast in a bowl. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it gets nice and foamy. Then, mix in 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until smooth. Now that your dough is ready, it's time for the fun part. Assembly. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough to your preferred thickness. A thin crust cooks faster, but a thicker one is great too. Spread about 1/2 cup of your favorite pizza sauce evenly, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, generously add 1 1/2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese and any toppings you love. Don't overload it. The final step before enjoying your delicious creation is baking. Preheat your oven to a hot 475 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 15 minutes. This high temperature helps achieve a crispy crust. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto a preheated pizza stone or a baking sheet. Bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is perfectly bubbly and melted. Your homemade pizza is ready. Let it cool for just 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This brief rest helps the cheese set and prevents your delicious toppings from sliding off. Use a sharp pizza cutter to divide your masterpiece into 6 to 8 generous slices. Serve immediately and enjoy your incredible, easy-to-make pizza. Also, for easy meal prep and other great deals, be sure to check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.